Hello everyone. On this channel, we feature shipping container projects from around the world for inspiration and advancement of sustainable container living. In today's video, we bring to you the Hinterland Luxury Container Home by Container Build Group in Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about this luxurious shipping container home. Welcome back. If you are new, welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. For the regulars, thank you for your support. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or post your opinion in the comments section below, and feel free to share the video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Furthermore, you can have your shipping container project or container Airbnb featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on email through info@sheltermode.com or contact us at Sheltermode on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started. The Hinterland Container Home is 450 square meters of absolute luxury. It is built from 7 40-foot containers laid in a courtyard format with 2 sets of 3 containers in every wing, such that a total of 354 square meters of habitable space. The containers sit on a steel pier foundation to elevate the modules away from moisture. In addition, the elevated position of the foundation creates an ideal height to construct an outdoor deck. The project took only 1 week to install on site and 10 weeks to build and complete the house. A paved driveway from the gate leads to a covered entrance porch. The house accommodates 7 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an office, and a loft. This model is ideal for a large family who enjoy living in a stylish home while also interested in an ecological approach for its construction and don't want to wait a long time for it to be built. The living spaces are all set in the center of the house with an open plan layout. The open plan living accommodates a charming lounge space defined by a beautiful floor mat and furnished with custom furniture pieces oriented towards a feature wall. The feature wall accommodates a fully tiled fireplace to keep you warm during cold weather, a flat screen TV mounted on top of the fireplace, and display counters for selected art pieces and household accessories. Next to the lounge is a dining space furnished with custom designed chairs big enough to sit up to 8 people, ideal for a big family. The kitchen forms the main highlight of the living room. The kitchen is a modern space with dark-colored cabinetry and fittings highlighted by sophisticated task lighting. The kitchen island with a 40mm marble countertop forms the focal point of the kitchen space. The kitchen island serves as a working countertop and a breakfast island that can seat 4. Next to the kitchen, there is a large separate kitchen pantry. The 6-meter ceiling height and a row of louvered clear-story windows on both sides of the living room walls was a design masterstroke, allowing for maximum daylighting and good airflow for natural ventilation. The elevated ceiling, the white painted walls, and the big glazing creates a living space with a sense of grandeur and elegance. From the living room, The sliding glass doors leads onto a covered alfresco, perfect for outdoor sitting and dining. It is also good for barbecues and intimate dinner parties. The alfresco extends onto a big wooden deck, wrapping around the rear and the front elevations of the building. The house has a big swimming pool surrounded by well-manicured lawn and a landscaped backyard garden. The bedrooms and the bathrooms are accommodated inside the shipping container modules. The master bedroom ensuite is made up from two 40-foot containers with a total of 28 square meters, which makes this an incredibly spacious bedroom. The master suite comprises of a bedroom with a double bed and custom bedside cabinets. There is a wall-mounted mini-split system and ceiling fan to enhance thermal comfort. The master bedroom is fitted with a master bathroom with hotel-like finishes and fittings. The bathroom space is fitted with a stylish vanity top with lots of storage, a toilet, and a big mirror to create a spacious bathroom. In addition, there is a glass shower cubicle with a rainfall shower head to make a complete bathroom. The master suite has a separate mini lounge to relax and unwind, illuminated by natural daylighting from the big glass windows that offer breathtaking views of the outside. The bedrooms are painted white with big glass windows to make the space awash with light for maximum daylighting and natural cross ventilation. At times, the industrial look of a shipping container home may appear bland and less appealing. The hinterland luxury container home is quite different. There is no hint that this house is built using shipping containers both inside and out. The house is lined inside and out to cover all the containers, and also all the fittings and finishes are of high quality and standard. This house is completely lined internally and externally, making 3 layers of wall to produce extremely high insulation values along with the extreme strength of shipping containers. Ultimately, the shipping containers were covered with beautiful butterfly roofs at different angles, further killing any impression of a shipping container dwelling. The series of butterfly roofs evoke a feeling of any modern home built using conventional materials. The roofs are fitted with solar arrays to supply solar energy to power the house. In addition, there are also solar tubes to supply hot water to the house. From outside, it is almost impossible to tell this amazing luxurious house is made from shipping containers. We love everything about this house, both inside and out. Which part of this amazing container building appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.